believe it. It sounds so bad.
Dude, you want it? No. You want to hear bad?
Yeah.
That's bad.
You're right. That's bad.
I told you.
I didn't yesterday.
Taxing out.
I did, but not. I knew it wasn't good enough. Yeah, and I was like, I'm gonna get so much.
No. Mine sounds worse.
Mine should be painted soon. I don't have the time.
F-16 or F-16? F-16. You have a gray one? You gonna make it Arctic camo or the gray one?
I'm gonna make it Israeli.
Come on, Frank. Turn around. Let's go.
I'm gonna make this one Arctic.
Already have. I'm gonna have the Scorpion.
Let's do it together.
No, I'm not doing it together with you anymore.
Come on! I'll keep this one. I'm not selling this one.
Frank, let's go.
It's boring, Frank. It's boring.
Oh, this plane's nowhere near boring.
This plane is nowhere near A4.
A4 was boring as hell.
Seriously, Ron, let's do it together.
I approve the landing.
I approved it too. No, seriously, let's do it. We'll do it together. I'm not selling this. Whoa, that was close. No fucking sound, always right. Alright,
Okay, Frank, sometime today?
Okay.
We're only sitting on the runway.
Alright, take it up.
Gear up.
You got to get used to yours, so I'll stay behind you. Look out for the plane. If you've got Frank, if you've got the gyro on, you don't need the pulse. Just hold it.
Yeah, I have it on, but I'm not sure if my gain settings are right.
Is that a speed control too?
No, well, I don't know why he's doing it. I think it's just nervous habit.
I know you can do two things at once. I just want to mention that Alex did change the lock combination today.
Okay, the one that's on the back of the card?
Yep.
Okay, got it, thank you. Okay, Frank, I'm going to do a low, slow right over the runway. If I can get it to slow down.
It doesn't take any
See what I mean?
I need them to raise the game a little bit.
Okay.
Did you guys go slower than that?
Yeah.
Where's your F-16, Mike? I want to see your F-16. And then if you can join us, then we'll go slow. How's that?
Deal, right?
Deal, right?
How you like it, Frank?
Oh, I love it.
Okay.
Oh, it's like, no.
All it does is drop the nose. That's it. It won't drop a wing or anything. Just drops the nose.
30 seconds.
I do like this gyro.
Okay.
I really do like this gyro.
Well, you like all the extra fiddlage. I don't. All right. Low pass, slow and low from the right.
Nine.
Look at that.
Seven.
The jump?
Six.
Good.
Five. 4. 3. 2. 1. Time expired.
Come on, Frank. I want to see the high alpha.
Oh my gosh. Here we go.
Really? What the? Bounce and go? Woohoo!
Let me see.
Now go patch the hole. That's part of the routine.
I gotta get out of everybody's way. There you are.
Low fast pass.
Go. I'm on you.
Over.
Okay, landing dead stick.
Landing dead stick. Okay.
Oh, mama.
We always clear the land, guys. I've got another minute.
Guys, are you landing soon? Oh, kid.
Come on, man. The only thing I have a problem with is seeing this thing.
Fuck. I'm trying to. I've got a homing beacon on me. There we go.
2 minutes over.
Yeah, it's on it.
What are we doing, Frank?
Whatever, dude.
I want to try.
I'm getting used to it.
I want to see about doing that. You can have the other something like that. I guarantee you.
Let's do our usual pass. Stick at that speed right there.
So let's see. Nose wheel.
You ready?
Ready.
I'm gonna stay on the outside, closest to us.
Okay, I'm gonna be closest away, furthest away from
Okay.
Turret.
You pulled ahead. Let's do it again. It's all right. I was on the wrong side. I switched over. I'll stay where I am, and then we'll.
You're taking turns for
turning.
Okay.
Over.
Oh my God. Let me get tighter on you here.
Alright.
There we go.
Turning.
Go.
I've been standing here for like 5 minutes already. You guys are okay? Ah, okay. Yeah, yeah, that's true. You're fine.
Yeah, you cut ahead again.
Alright, get ahead.
I need to be a little ahead because of the turn. Okay.
Frank likes
There we go.
likes being behind.
Stop it.
I do. Actually, I do. It's not a
Okay.
problem.
There we go. Now we'll get lined up. Or I'm ahead now. We're thinking too hard.
Yeah, we are. You know what?
Okay.
I'm thinking off mine.
You guys, you go anytime you want. We're good.
Enough enough time?
Time
Yeah.
over.
Take off?
3 minutes.
Well, I
56
don't know. Last time you guys
seconds.
went to take
4
off,
minutes
it
over.
takes you like 5 minutes before you actually take off.
Okay, here. I'm landing.
Gear down.
I need to get a hand on that.
Now it's time.
Now it's time for you to take off, Joaquin. It's floodlight. It's what? Yeah, underwater. Floodlight. Getting out!
I'll stay on the left. Stay on the right. There you go. Nice, Frank. Ah! What? Dude, I went way over on my timer.
I went 3 minutes.
Me too. But we were flying low throttle, so. God, dude. It's not bad.
I mean,
No, it's not bad. No, seriously, it's not bad.
How much up elevated do you have?
I gave you the same.
Really?